What's up, traders? Mark Bauman, StartTrading.com. Thanks for joining me again. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button. Also subscribe. We give you great information every day to help you trade the market and succeed. It's educational purposes only, but you'll see some of our videos, how we're able to game or time the market appropriately, especially and even during the down times. We were down drastic amounts of numbers. We were able to pump them back up just trading within that day, and you're going to learn how to do that. First, you need to go to StartTrading.com, take our course, learn the fundamentals. It covers everything from just fundamental learning, Forex, to stocks. We give you great institutional knowledge, as well as some of our just down the grind knowledge. Basically down there, working the front lines, figuring things out as we go, things that we've learned from mistakes, losing $30,000, making $30,000, what we learned from doing that, why would we go with A versus B, so that you can action immediately, so that you make sure that you either make money or don't lose as much money as you might have potential. Now, if you find any of this information helpful, again, like or subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when this content's kicking out every day. Also, share with your friends, because you want them to be just as wealthy as you're going to be, or as we are, correct? I think we all are in this for a good cause, if not for our own pocketbooks. Now, today I'm covering the Fed bond yields, because that's obviously the hot topic. That's what's disrupting the market right now. And the Fed basically has been trying to regulate the spikes in the bond yields. And if you haven't noticed, we had these massive drops, massive gains, massive drops, massive gains every other day. That's because of the Fed throttling the impact of the bond yield. So when they spike, they basically throttle that to cut them so that they come back down. And as the spikes diminish, you'll see that stocks rise back up. So as the spikes happen, stocks fall, and as the bond yields come back down, the pricing, stocks rise. So that's been a pattern, and it's been happening all week, and it's probably going to happen this coming week. So just get ready with your trailing stop losses and get ready to buy back in. You're going to have to use a little bit of day trading, or you might want to just sit this one out after Monday. That's what I would do if I'm not planning on trying to trade to maintain my positions with most of my stocks and with my options. So I am going to highlight a great video from Meet Kevin. Really like some of the esoteric thought that comes from him, as well as some of his direct information that he brings and knowledge. I think he has either a great team or he personally is really grinding to bring good content. So props to him. He touched on this and went over the bond yields and how the Fed's been responding to the stock market. And he highlights and even actually overlays, that's why I'm bringing him up, is he actually overlays the increases in the stocks versus the decreases in the bonds. And you'll see that the bond yield, as it goes down, stocks spike up. And as the bond yield goes back up, stocks crumble back down. And you'll see that happening in your own stocks. So check out the video. Please like or subscribe below. I'm going to play a little bit of that information now.
It was really the last day that we had some good. It was a Friday, and then all of a sudden the stock market started selling off. And in part it sold off because the treasury yields started rising. But this wasn't even that rough of a rise, this slope right here. Where things really got nasty was when the slope, or the acceleration of the rate of the 10-year, did this. I mean, look at that slope. That is fast.
So, not only does he cover that, but he actually overlays some additional statistics. So keep watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Go to StartTrading.com right now in order to get your education to make yourself some generational wealth. So thanks for watching. I'm Mark Bauman.